Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to speed up slow PC in Windows 10 or 11. So to do that, you can first of all try is right click on your taskbar and here you will find the task manager. So hit over there and here you will find the apps that are using high memory or CPU. You can just end the unnecessary task that is going on in the background. So you can also know it from this power usage or power consumption or the memory percentage in here. And the second one you can try is, oh, let me show you how you can end the task. You have to right click on it and you have to tap or click end task and it will be end. And the second thing you can try is disable the startup programs. So you can just right click on the taskbar, go to task manager and go to the startup option in here. Here, these are the apps that are turned on for startups. So here it is showing that it is enabled, and this one is disabled. So as you can see, this Acrobat licensing service in here, it is enabled and the startup impact is high. So if it is giving problem to you, you can just disable it by tapping right click on it and tap on disable, or you can also click on it and click on disable in here. And the second thing you can try is to run the disk cleanup to remove the temporary files. So you have to go to the search option and go search for disk cleanup. And here it is. You can also find it from your system. So go to this cleanup and select a folder, click on OK. And from here, just delete the temporary files. You have to click and check mark on each of them and then just tap on clean up system files. So yeah, the last but not the least is you can update your Windows and the drivers within. So this is it. Hope this video will help you out. And if this video helped, make sure to comment down below which one of the fixes worked for you and let us know how it is going for you. So hope to see you in the next video.